All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So obviously, you know, I'll bring this case in. This is the MagCase from Pitaka, and this is for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 4G or 5G, same phone. This is a unique case in its own, man, because it's really thin, 17 grams, as you can see here, 0.85 millimeters in thickness, and it's compatible with wireless charging, and it's also compatible with their mag system, so which means basically magnetic mounts you can have within your car and everything like that, and the wireless charging as well. So genuine armored fiber, seamless technology experience. It's just the branding of the packaging here. You can see here how this case is going to be. In the inside, it has that big metal plate there in the case. Now, this new system that they have here, I think I really like this better than the previous ones because you used to have to put something in the case and all that. But this is a case that I think is going to be really nice. And this is also for people who don't want to use a case. This is so thin, it's unreal, you know what I'm saying? So it is the thinnest phone case made from bulletproof materials. It is the world's first modular magnetic wallet made from carbon fiber, and so on and so on. Let's get into the case here. You know, for a case, they're probably putting just as much money in this material, this box, as they are in the case. So you get the thank you card and everything, and then that is it, folks. All of this material just for this little case. That, I would tell you, is great presentation. And I think companies who do this, I appreciate them for doing such a good job on their casing. So if we take a look at the case here before we bring in the phone, you can see this is very thin. This is a super thin case. And there is a metal plate in here, believe it or not. It's a really thin sheet. I mean, this is so thin. It's unbelievable how thin this is. And it still has a metal plate in here. It's just crazy, man. This is a strong material. And we'll take it downstairs and mount it in the car because I have magnetic mounts all through the car. But this is compatible with their system. So for sure, that'll work. But you've got your ports here for the top. And you've got the cutouts on this side for the power and volume. You got nothing on this side, and you've got all your ports down here on the bottom for the S Pen, the speaker, the charger port, and the microphone. And obviously the camera cutout is here. So this should make the camera flush, if anything. So here's our Galaxy Note right here, 10 Plus. Let's just pop it on like so. Let's get you on here, buddy. Oh, let me go bottom first. Bottom first, folks. Bottom first because it has that big curve on the bottom there for some reason. But here is the case. Now, again, this is not for the person who is accident prone or, you know, you drop your phone a lot. This just isn't for you because you'll drop your phone in this. And not to say that the case can't protect at all. You will have some, it'll be able to protect you from some scratches and things like that. But this is a beast mode case here. And like I said, it's compatible with wireless charging. So I guess I'll go ahead and get my wireless charger out and I'll show you that right now. So let's pop it on the charger. As you can see, it starts to charge. If you can't see that, let me see if I can get it in the upright position. And there you go, you can definitely see that. So wireless charging is a must for a case like this. Now let's go downstairs and let's put it on the magnetic mount that is compatible. This is pretty much compatible with all magnetic mounts, but let's go ahead and pop it on the magnetic mount downstairs in the car. All right, so we're down here in the vehicle. As you can see here, this is the wireless mount for the mag system. I'm going to go ahead and put this on here, put the phone on here. You can see it holds up pretty good. And there is my charging. So it works great with the mag system that they have here. And you know, the only thing about this is the vent. I'm using the vent version, and it's kind of heavy, so it kind of weighs down. So I would suggest if you have the Galaxy Note 10 Plus or just a heavier phone, period, put it on the bottom part of the vent. The mount on there is actually pretty strong back here. It's pretty strong, but still, that's just something to take note of. So it is charging. You can see right there, it's charging. It says 37 minutes into the charge, so that's pretty good. And if you notice right here, I actually have another wireless or a magnetic mount. That mount is really strong. This mount is really strong. So if I put it here, this one holds very tight and in place because it's sealed to the car right here. So it's not something that's going to move around. The vent can move, and that's why this one looks a little bit less secure. I really love that light up logo right there. That's sweet. But in the end, this is where it goes, and that is where it's going to work. Charging wirelessly, it says. It's charging. So there you have it, folks, man. Another video for you guys. This is a really good mounting system here. And if you need to charge wirelessly, this is good. You've got the power for the Type-C, and it's just ready to go. So there you have it. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So with that smoke leather.